we'll actually be going over those in the 471 tab. Depending on which form you're looking at or which form you're looking for data for, you'll either go to the 470 or 471. This morning we'll be going into the 471. Once you click that, you'll actually hit the 471 applications. View all 471 applications. Wow. So to filter out all that data, what you'll do is, if you want the 471 applications for the year 2023, you'll select funding year, and you'll select equal to. You just add your parameter in there. Go ahead and add that filter. And now we're filtering out all the applications that are not 2023 Form 471 applications. And then if we wanted to filter out applications on a state basis, so depending on which state the applicant is in, you'll actually go to the Filters tab again, Add Filter. In the Attribute section, you'll select Applicant and then State. And then here you'll select In. And then you can add multiple values here. So let's say you wanted all the applicants in the states of Oklahoma and Texas. You go ahead and add those in there. Hit Apply Filter. And then it's now showing you all of the 2023 funding year Form 471 applications for Oklahoma and Texas. All right, we'll go ahead and move on. So now that we have this filter, we're filtering out all the other applications except for 2023 Texas and Oklahoma Form 471s. We want to save this filter. So what we can do there is go over here and click Save. Here, it just gives you a couple options. If you want to mark it as your favorite, you can do that. Private is going to be marked by default, which is going to make it private to your view only. If you wanted all people within your organization to be able to view this filter, you would just uncheck that, and then you'd hit Save. Save this, Save View. Then we'll go ahead and save that. All right, and great. It gives us a little confirmation up here telling us that it has been saved. Now, where has that been saved to? Go to My Account. Then we'll hit Save Views. There we can see that it is right here. This is the one that we just saved. And again, those parameters that popped up earlier, if we want it to be shared, you can see here, we unchecked that mark earlier, so now it is highlighted here as shared. We can also favorite it here. We go back to Form 471 page. We can see it defaulted to the regular Form 471 page, but we can click our Save Views and now see that Save Views are here for us to see. So that's it. That's